Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my daughter's extreme damage hair, guys, and I would like to apologize for my voice, guys. It is not my fault. I woke up this morning and I realized my voice chooses not to come out, and I didn't even quarrel with anyone. So in case you don't hear me well, I really apologize, and never mind. I'm just going to summarize what happened. And I have a question for you. What will you do if you were in this situation, guys? Write it to me under the comment section. Let me hear you. What will you do? Come and show me your hair here. Let me see the back. I see. For the water to get in there, it's needs time. It needs time. Come on, jij just zeg maar hier dan Eriken. Nou, je zou het toch niet gemaakt. Meanwhile, these ones get wet quickly. Pass up. So beauties, welcome back again. As we went to swimming with Kid, to tell you the truth, I didn't expect this to happen. I never really realized that this swimming pool can actually, turn our hair this way. So I just decided to see how their hair looks like after swimming. Like they have different hair type. The girl have 4A hair. I've shared it in one of my videos. And the small boy have 3C hair, and the big boy have 4C hair type, right? And I was so surprised to see it this way, guys. And because my daughter likes swimming with hair in water, I decided to hold their hair into a ponytail so that they don't have it falling all over. And to my surprise, I just realized her hair was so dry, frizzy, tangled. I was just devastated. And I wouldn't know where to start from. And she's the type of child who like crying when you are doing her hair. Unless you busy her with something. Sometimes, even when you busy her with something, she wouldn't even mind that thing. She would just concentrate on what you are doing on her hair. And then she would start shouting and crying. So I was so devastated and I didn't know how to go about it. So this was just a try to see how I can really handle it, right? So I went ahead and used my usual 2 products, in which aloe vera leave-in conditioner and then hair repair spray. So I decided to use both of them to see how the hair will come out, right? I didn't really expect this to happen, guys, but I am only surprised because this is actually the first summer I leave her hair like this. I always braid hair, or I try to make her some cornrows, and because she doesn't support them anymore, I decided to leave her hair like that and sometimes do some twists. But this summer, I really decided to leave her hair braid a little bit, because when she starts going to school, she's always on those styles, right? And she's a child. The hair sometimes needs some break. And yeah, I didn't really know chlorine that we put in water could turn our hair this way. But now that I know, if you have any tip, I am open to all your suggestions, right? If you know something that could help me protect their hair in case they are going to swim. But as I said earlier on, she always swim with the hair in water. I don't know why. She like swimming inside the water, then all the hair is in there and so on. And I will take this opportunity to say a big thanks to you all, guys. As you could see, I have reached my 1,000 subscribers because of you all, because of your support, and I would say a big thanks to you. Without you, I wouldn't have been here at this moment, guys. And a big thanks and a big shout out to Carla's Cardiac, who actually made me reach these 1,000 subscribers. As if you realize, for those who have been following me, I was still stuck at around 987 last 2 days, and I just met her, and she doesn't even have a community tab, guys, but she just shared my video out, and within 2 hours, like within even 1 hour, I was shocked and I didn't even know what was happening. And I just realized I was more than 1,000 subscribers. I told my people here someone has hacked my channel because I don't really understand. Thank you all for your support, for always coming across. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I will let you continue watching the video. As you can see, I really struggled to detangle my daughter's hair, and it took me like an hour to detangle the whole hair, guys, as I was doing slowly so that she wouldn't even cry. Yeah, as I know her well, I had to do that so that I will be able to detangle the whole hair and put it into a protective style. So thank you for coming across. It was the video I wanted to share with you today. And write to me under the comment section if you have any suggestion about what I can use to protect their hair, or what will you do if you were in this situation. Yeah, I love you all, guys. Until we meet in my next one. Mwah!